Hi, and welcome to the Get It Done Program Creation System walkthrough. Just want to give you a quick overview of how in your program could look online. I want you to know that I created this in a matter of hours, like a few hours actually. If you see the Get It Done banner, I would get it resized for the appropriate size. I just had a logo that I just slapped up here very quickly. But we definitely, there's in the manual or the help tells you exactly the size, so we would get one made that would fit in here really nicely. So again, the person comes to the site. You can see it's a pretty nice looking site. You can change the colors on here as well. They'll log in. Oh, well, if I typed the password wrong. I had it right. Okay, I think that's right. Okay, great. So as you can see here, let's get that out of the way. Oh, it's going to stay there. Oh, there's X. It's like, where's X? Okay, that's much better. Okay, as you can see, this is when a user first comes into your program membership site. They will see this is the home, and this is for the program creation system, so there'll be a welcome screen. Of course, this can be made, again, I created this really quickly, but you can pretty much put any HTML in here, and it'll be a welcome screen for anybody that comes in. You can give them guidance on what to do next. Like so here I said to get started, click on the content tab and click on the course image, and you will see the outline for the course. You can start the first lesson, and away you go, changing your life, I said. Over here there's a welcome. You can put a little welcome message over here as well. You can connect it to your Facebook. There might be some other options. I don't know if I created all of them for this particular instance. Excuse me. There's a couple things you can do. You can go to your content and see, right now I only have one program called the Get It Done program. This is actually one. Get It Done program creation system, right? You could have more than one program in here if you like. And I think you can actually show them but not allow them to get into it because they need to buy from you to upsell, right? So here you go here, or you can click there. Either way, it's the same. Actually, let's go back here. Actually, that was not the same. Okay, let's go back to the home. Click content. I just want to show you the available courses. So here's Get It Done. You can put a nice little picture here. It actually tells you how much you've completed, all of the modules. And you can click it here, or again, you can click it up here to get to go straight to the actual outline. So either one. So that's what we have here. Again, it tells you how much you have completed. You want to continue with this lesson, creating your outline. That's where you were left last. It tells you where you went last. So here's actually how the layout is, or the outline, I guess, of sorts, of the modules. So you Get It Done program creation system. You have your sections. You can have your different sections and your different lessons for each section. So depending on how you want to lay it out, and that's what I'll be working with clients on, is what do you want, what's your outline for your program, what the different modules, and then inside what different lessons do you want them to learn for those different modules. I call them, I guess they're calling them here sections. And then what are you going to teach them in each of this? How are you going to teach them? So let's see. You can look at this. You can look at one that's already been done. You can have all kinds of content. This is me just having some questions I want them to answer. You could have videos in here, so it could be a list of videos or one video. You can also, what's really cool is they can share it with all their different Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google+. When they're done, they can check it, meaning that they can mark it as complete. They can go to the next one just within the screen. Also, you have this way to navigate up here. You can go back to the main part here. Here's another one. View lesson. You can just create here. Logo creation. So this is me talking about how to set up your program information website content. I have a lot of content here, all HTML kind of look and feel, I guess. So you can create something that looks like this. or you can create, or you can put videos, you can put audios, you can different kinds of content. You can put files in here for people to use. Again, here's a description. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. For each lesson over here, this changes. I'm going to go up a little bit so you can just see this. Description. So it has tags. I tag these. And then about. So what you're going to actually learn in this module. You will, yeah, so just some information about what you're going to learn, right? The description of this particular module is over here for each module. So let me show you. Let me go back to lesson 3. So lesson 3, I didn't put much. So as you can see, let's go back to this one. Downloads. If you have a PDF, if you have a Word doc, if you have any kind of files that you want them to have and be able to download, this is where you'd place them. I didn't have any at the time, so this is where you would put them. Of course, this is what your customers will see. There's another place where you can go in and quickly add all these features. Notes, they can actually take their own notes if they want to about what's going on. So that's a really neat feature as well. So that's pretty much it as far as what your customers will see. When they come into the system, they'll see the list of courses. If you only have one course to start with, that's where then they'll go here to go through the course. As you can see, the outline for the course is here. It walks them through the lesson, keeps track of what they're doing. They can share these modules, things like that. Here's ask a question. I think, I'm trying to remember who had asked me about that. There's a way, what you can do is they can actually ask certain questions, and then you can create a database for your questions. What's really cool about this is people can ask questions and you can then answer their questions, and it actually stores it automatically as an FAQ. So you don't have to necessarily create questions or answers and questions, or questions and answers, I guess better way to say it. You can actually just have them ask you questions, and then when you answer them through this tool here, the value add-on, then you will start creating your FAQ just like that. So that's kind of cool. And then of course when people ask questions, the answers will come up automatically. So that's kind of neat. Contact. If they want to contact you for some reason, it automatically populates their information that they logged in. That's my username and associated email. Submit a ticket. That's really all. There's preferences, I think. I don't know. Let's see. Username, you put your name, your time zone, change your password. So those are the features, kind of a very simple way to for your customers to see your content. So it'd be really easy for you to set this up. Let's see. I wanted to show you, where did I put that? Oh yeah, here it is. I want to show you how easy it is. So this is the actual site. Let me see if I can move this over. This is value add-ons. This is where you would actually create your site. So you go in here and manage. Of course, I will set this up for your clients, but I want to also show you how easy it is to create the content. Let's see, I'm trying to look. Content right here. So see, it's really just this easy. You add a section, which are these. Remember I had 2 sections, and then I had 4 lessons, or 4 lessons for each section. So it's really that easy. You just add a section. It's just a name, right? So it's like a heading, and then add a lesson. So again, there's these different types: text, audio, and video. You can select the one you want, the title, where you're going to place it. Because if you have more than one, you can actually put it in this particular lesson, which is cool. You can have multiple lessons, or the same lesson in multiple of your programs. Because you might have like the first 2 modules or lessons, sorry, could be placed in the first 2 sections of all your programs, but then maybe the last ones have different lessons. So that's kind of cool. Again, you can publish in the future. You can drip the content. You can add, those are where I had the tags, remember? You saw that? This is where you could upload any kind of file you want them to see in that tab you saw on the right. I think I have to select them, yeah. I have to download them, and then I'll disable downloads or not. I don't know why you wouldn't. And then you publish the lesson, and then that would take you back, and it would be added in here. And again, you can always edit, and you can also move them around. Let's see, you have to do this. Yeah, so you just move them around as well. It's really easy. Once you start creating, you can just move them around, move these sections around, and then you have your course. And you can create as many courses. So it's really very simple to create. Let me go back to the content. Again, you can create a new course. So I really think this tool is really cool. Really easy. Like I said, within a matter of hours, I had this up and running, copying my content over and everything. Also, there's a way to easily, let me go back, I just realized, to, oh yeah, payment options. So there's really only two options, which is Stripe or JVZoo. JVZoo is mostly for affiliate type stuff. That's really all they have right now. But Stripe is actually free. There's no monthly fee. Just when you get paid, they take a cut like all merchant accounts do. Stripe is really great because it's well, first of all, it's free, but it's free. That's why. Oh yeah, I was gonna say there's no monthly recurring fee, which is really awesome. And that's the other thing I was gonna say about it. It was actually created by internet marketers for internet marketers, so you don't have to worry about getting shut down, as you know, like with other merchant accounts. So I just wanted to mention that. I don't know about advanced options. Oh, these are the membership levels. So this, you know, right now I have this as free, but you can create different plans, create different kind of membership levels. You can give it a name. You know, it's just so you, like I said, you can have a gold, or you can call it whatever you want, the star program, or the diamond, or the the silver, whatever you want to call these things. And depending on the membership that they buy, then they'll So it's really very, very simple and easy to set this up. So it's easy for me to set this up for your clients, but also what I love is that it's easy for them if they want to come back in and create some content quickly and to change it. It's really quick and easy for them to change it, and that's what I really want to do, is be able to make it easy for them once we set it up, that they can come back in here quickly, go to the content section, go to the course they want to change, edit. See, just edit this. It's very simple. Just edit it, and boom, they can save it, and it's published. So I think you have to say publish, but that's it. So that's about it, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.